Ray's Repair Zone. Today I'm fixing fence for a farm. She's a lady that has a bunch of cows and horses and she needs her fence fixed. So this is how I pound in posts. It's better than a hammer, but it's still a lot of work. I'll show you how. I already got it started, but I'll show you how long it takes. This is a 40-pound hammer that I made. I put 1, 2, and 3 posts in. I got, if you look further down there, I threw them down. I took them off the wire. I got six more to go. There's 2 in that one spot, so it looks like only 5, but there's 6 more posts. And then I got to go all the way down to the end of the border here. Well, we'll make her. We'll get it done. Not the easiest of work, but I can't afford a post pounder right now, so I had to make one. A little crooked. I weighed it, and it is 40 pounds. It's not a fun workout, but it's a workout. This is the size of post that I'm using. So I'm 6 feet tall, so they're 7 feet long. And that's how much I pounded in with that post pounder. It works pretty good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.